Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we'll be working on DCCing a Dapol class 1400. Now this is a very small loco, not as small as the area, but you still need a very small decoder like this one. This one is the Zimo MX 6116F, which is the wired version of the very tiny micro decoder. And there we go. And yeah, first things first is we need to remove the body. I've already done this, but you just need to unscrew the little screw inside the funnel. Just pop that down there. So unscrew that. Also, before again, also something which I've done beforehand, is to remove these little. I'm not entirely sure what they are. They are basically little piping work on the side of the locomotive. But yeah, there's one either side, so that one there and another one on the other side. Just carefully pull them out and they should come away fairly freely because they are made out of metal. And we lift up the boiler, remove that, and lift from the front. Don't worry about that bit falling out, that's meant to fall out. In fact, it's a bit in the way at the moment. So pull this up from the front. Try to anyway. Remember how to do it. There we go. You need to do a little bit of wiggling. That all comes off. And now we have access to the chassis itself. And the wires which we need, well, basically this long wire here, which connects up to the pickups, and also the red one on the other side. And then we need to solder into the motor here and here. I think these capacitors, or maybe resistors, I can never remember. It's probably resistor or capacitor. I'll be leaving them for this time. I think you can safely remove them, but I'll find out afterwards and then tell you the results. But actually, I'll leave that like that. So here is the decoder layout. So red and black, basically connecting them up to the red and black on the model, and then orange and grey connect into the actual motor itself, and that's pretty much it. And then the problem is trying to make sure it all fits inside, but since the cab is, I don't want to say it's spacious, but it's all this, I'll leave it over there for now. Since there is a fair amount, if you just pop that on there, that's how you get back on. Yeah, since there is a fair amount of space at the top, there should be enough space for this tiny little decoder to sit in, and then you can secure it if you want to. So if it's me, I'm probably just going to just leave it. Yeah, don't mind that. Go back in. There we go. There's a lot of pieces which aren't glued in, so do be a bit careful of missing things. But yeah, I'll probably just insulate it so it doesn't interact with the metal. And then I'll just leave it inside. I'll probably just cover it with black shrink wrap or something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, I'll bring you back after I've wired it all in. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are with the 1400 now DCC'd and completely put back together. Just to mention, I did have to remove the capacitors because they were playing up with the operation of the chassis when under DCC. So yeah, I'm quite sure they're not all that needed as far as I know for RF. So there's no RF interference. So yeah, quite sure they're not needed anymore. So yes, let's have a quick go under DCC. Unfortunately, it's not going to be stalled a little bit. Unfortunately, it's still not the best runner, but yeah, still seems quite nice under DCC. Springs, I haven't. Might need to give the wheels a bit of a clean of the track. So let's see the little engine go round. And just to prove it is on DCC, I've got my DCC controller in. Also testing out a new lens as well. I finally bought myself enough lens for this camera. Yeah, that seems quite nice. And so it's still the starting, which seems to be an issue. I may just need a bit of an oil, or may need to clean my track, but it's normally for track. Yeah, it's not that difficult to DCC the Dapol 1400, and it does run fairly well under it after getting it started. So yeah, hope everyone has enjoyed the video. Hope that you found it useful, and it does seem that this lens is quite nice as well. If anybody's wondering, it's the close-up lens for the Canon M50. So yes, I'm quite pleased with it. Anyway, do you like the video? Feel free to comment, like and subscribe. If you didn't like the video, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And if you want to support me more, feel free to look at getting a membership when I remember to enable it. So yes, and also Patreon anyway. Anyway, hope to see you again next time. Take care now. I'm just going to send the 1400 off in its way. If it didn't. There we go. See you again next time. Bye bye.